The vertical line test. The vertical line test is used to help us determine whether a graph is a function or not. So let's review what a function is. A function is a relation in which each element of the domain corresponds to exactly one element in the range. So each x cannot have more than one y. So on a graph, you want to look at the x's to see if you have any points where your x is the same with two different y's. We can do this using what we call a vertical line test. Any 2 points that have the same x coordinate, say x equal 2, if they have different y's, they are going to fall on a vertical line at 2 different places. So that's why we can use a vertical line test. The vertical line test says if a vertical line intersects a graph more than once, it does not represent a function. So what we do is we imagine we have a vertical line. You can hold your pencil up vertically and draw that vertical line through your graph. If there's any place that that vertical line touches your graph more than once, it's not a function. Here, all of my vertical lines would only touch this one time. So yes, this graph is a function. But over here, you can see the vertical line right here, the pink dashed line, touches the graph 1, 2, 3 places. There are actually a lot of vertical lines that would do that. So anytime it touches it more than once, it means this is not a function. So the vertical line test is very simple. And it's very quick. Now on this graph, the first graph here, this is just a line, a linear function. So if I pass a vertical line through it, think about drawing vertical lines all the way through your graph here. Every vertical line will only touch our line one time. So yes, this is a function. But over here, if I take this function, and if I draw a vertical line right here, that's going to touch that function twice. So that means this one is not a function.